Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Credssp Encryption Oracle Remediation Remote Desktop Connection Error. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine. Click and expand Software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand Current Version. Click and expand Policies. Click and expand System. Create new key under System, named as Credssp. C, S, S, and P are capital letters. Create new key under Credssp, named as Parameters. Right-click, New DWORD 32-bit value. Allow encryption Oracle, A, E and O are capital letters. Open Allow encryption Oracle. Change value data to 2. OK and exit registry editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.